Kapag may sunog, huwag magtago sa banyo. Bakit, sir?
Yeah. It's a common notion po na tatakbo tayo doon kasi there availability of water or faucet or ano man po ang pwede natin kuhaan doon. Mostly, sir, kung hindi man abutin ng sunog doon, ang nakaka-cause ng death is suffocation or yung inhalation of smoke. So, again, it's a big no-no and it's an opportunity for us to correct that mindset na pagka merong ongoing na fire incident, huwag talaga tayong pumunta sa CR kasi it's going to be our own trap. It's best talaga na alamin natin yung best exit. So, we have been propagating yung edit is yung exit drill namin. Yan talagang primary namin na requirement, yung know where to go, where to exit, and the importance of exit. Kasi no need for other additional tools doon. Basta importante alam mo where to go. Sometimes it feels important kung affected na tayo. Pero sana hindi natin paabutin doon.
Dapat prepared na, hindi pa affected. Napakahalaga rin po, sir, nung mga kinokondak natin na drills talaga. Ito po yung exit namin. So, ayan, kompleto naman ang ano natin. Meron tayong mga fire exit dyan sa likod. So, sir, wag po kayo mag-alala. Safe tayo dito.
Okay, thank you, sir.